Hi! Today's lesson is an intermediate lesson and the subject is cars and driving, especially with regard to going to the mechanic or to the petrol station. Don't forget to download the free worksheet from the link under this YouTube video. It will help you follow the lesson. So we'll start with some vocabulary. And the first word is to break down, guastarsi, or break down, un guasto. Warning light, spia, luminosa. Flat battery, batteria scarica. To overheat, surriscaldarsi. Brake pads, pastiglie dei freni. Exhaust pipe, marmitta o tubo di scarico. Clutch, frizione. Gearbox, cambio. MOT test, revisione obbligatoria. To service the car, fare o tagliando. Spare part, pezzo di ricambio. Puncture, foratura. To top up oil or water, rabboccare, olio o acqua. Unleaded petrol, benzina senza piombo. To tow, trainare o rimorchiare. Breakdown cover, assistenza stradale. Dashboard, cruscotto. Dual carriageway, strada a doppia carreggiata, tipo tangenziale. To overtake, sorpassare. Windscreen, parabrezza. Number plate, targa. Now let's see some expressions we can use to talk about problems with the car. My car won't start. La mia auto non parte. There's a strange noise coming from the engine. C'è un strano rumore che viene dal motore. Could you check the brakes, please? Potrebbe controllare I freni, per favore? The warning light has come on. Si è accesa la spia. How much will the repair cost? Quanto costerà la riparazione? Can you tow my car to the garage? Può trainare la mia auto fino all'officina? I think I have a flat tire. Penso di avere una gomma a terra. Could you fill it up with unleaded, please? Potrebbe fare il pieno di benzina senza piombo, per favore? When will it be ready? Quando sarà pronta? Do you accept card payments? Accettate I pagamenti con carta? Try to memorize some of the vocabulary that we have seen today and use it next time you have to speak in English about cars or driving. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.